Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? B plus hug, bug. SP plus ray, spray. Bug spray. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Hi, everyone. Please join me in welcoming back our returning champion, this young lady on my left, who has been terrific. She's won 3 or 4 vacations, some cash, and prizes totaling $21,403. This is Lisa Bondi.
Hi.
It's a great year for you, isn't it?
It is a really great year.
You're going to get married next year, and you're
That'll
studying
be a great
law.
year, too.
You doing well at law school?
I'm doing okay. I'll be back for another year anyway.
Absolutely. Well, in your practice of law, you might wind up having something to do with this gentleman because he is a policeman. His name is Jeff Walker. Welcome aboard, Jeff.
Thank you, Alex.
Where are you serving?
City of Coronado.
City of Coronado. That's down around San Diego?
Across the bay.
Across the bay. Even just saying Coronado sounds as if it's a pretty place to work and live, is it?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
They've got the nicest beaches in the state of California as far as I'm concerned.
Is it
I've seen a lot of them.
relatively crime-free also? Makes it easy for you?
No violent crime to speak of.
That's great.
So it's real safe, and my wife likes it that way.
Any kids?
1 4-month-old boy.
Oh, same as me.
Born on Valentine's Day.
All right, mine was February 3rd.
Oh.
Ready
Playmates.
Ready to play?
Sure am.
Take a look over here. Here's a playmate.
Do you need to be revived? Then sit back and enjoy the tropical evenings and balmy breezes of beautiful St. Martin. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mullet Bay Resort. Features golf, tennis, water sports, plus a half-mile of powder white beaches. A tropical paradise in the Caribbean on St. Martin, furnished by the Mullet Bay Resort. Alex?
And that fabulous vacation can be found on the board, at least one half of it, dead center. That makes it easy to remember. Jeff, you pick first, please.
Well, let's find the other half of that vacation for me and my wife after 4 months under number 19.
19, makeup case.
Hey, try to find a match on that under number 5.
Nope, diamond earrings. Over to Lisa.
Let's try number 9 for that trip.
Encyclopedia set.
Not exactly a trip. We'll try number 17 for the match.
No, slide projector. Jeff, back to you.
Keep looking for that trip. Let's try first child. Let's try number 1.
Sewing machine.
Ooh, handy stuff. Match under number 12.
No diamond earrings. Lisa?
With the diamond earrings under number 5.
Right.
And the match at number 12.
Number 12 is correct. That's a match for you. You're going to get a first look at the puzzle. You're always smiling. I've commented on that before, and I just wondered, are you always good-natured, or do you have your moments when your temper shows?
Well, don't ask my fiance, but I'm always good-natured.
I thought so. Yes. Let's open these 2 panels for you. Select again, please.
Let's try number 25.
A word processor.
And how about the match at number 11?
Stargazing telescope. No match. Jeff.
Let's try number 22.
Wild card.
Let's go to number 13, Alex,
Let's
for the
go
trip.
dead center for the holiday. The Isle of St. Martin. Yes. The other Isle of St. Martin vacation is at number 20. And so 3 doors will open, and Jeff will try to solve this puzzle. Select again.
Let's try number 8.
Red take.
Let's look for the match under number 16.
Wild card. The other red tape is at number 21. That should
Nice
come in
to
handy.
Keep my trip.
She's got diamond earrings up there. You've got a wife.
I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold.
All right. No,
No,
he's holding for a
I
while.
just bought her a diamond ring. I think we want the trip more if we can get it.
All right. 3 doors are opening once again, Jeff. Pick again.
Let's try number 24.
Sewing machine.
The match was under number 1.
Right. Again, I ask you because I have to. You want to use the tape?
I'm going to save it.
All right.
Good.
Open it up. Select again. Another wild card on the board somewhere.
Well, let's try number 15.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, my. Number 19.
19. Makeup case. The other makeup case is at number 2. I'll ask again.
I'm going to still save it.
All right. 3 more doors opening. Jeff likes to open them up in 3s. Select again. No more wild cards in play.
Number 10.
All natural matches from this point on. Green take.
Let's complete the set. Try it under number 18.
Bedroom set. Different kind of set. Lisa.
Number 23,
Encyclopedia set.
and the match at number 9.
Encyclopedia set. That is correct. Now, Lisa, you are the only player vulnerable in this game because you have that 1 X against you. Let's see if you can win this game and put an X in front of Jeff Walker. Take a look. Try it again.
Number 25,
Word processor.
and the match at number 6.
No, that's a green take. Jeff?
Geez, I don't remember anything now. So number 4.
Well, 4 is the bedroom set.
And was the match under number 18?
18 is the bedroom set, and that makes it a match. And as Lisa was selecting, you sat up and you said, oh. Does that mean you're going to use the tape?
Yes. The diamond earrings, please.
The diamond earrings. So much for the encyclopedia. Now you think you can solve it also? Well, let's see if
Finally.
Jeff can. Open the doors.
Let's hope for foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange. We have a winner. We have a winner. And we have a loser. Let's go to the board. All right, you do your work.
You got the F, plus the R, plus the hen for foreign. We got the eggs, which took me a while, plus change for foreign exchange.
That's a good solution. We have to say goodbye to this young lady thanks to you, Jeff. 2 strikes against Lisa, but she's got 3 vacations, some cash, a piano, a scooter, all kinds of other terrific prizes totaling
It was so much fun. Thank you.
$21,403. Congratulations,
Good luck,
Lisa. You're a terrific young lady. You're a great player.
Thank you.
So long. All right, Jeff. You're the new champ. You've got some prizes coming. Let's find out about them right now. Arthur, if you please.
Terrific prizes, Jeff, starting with the sewing machine, diamond earrings, and a makeup case, Sebastian's Show Off. Master the art of making a fashionable assortment of Truco lipsticks, powders, shadows, pencils, mascaras, and more, furnished by Sebastian. A bedroom set, Roy Hill's contemporary bedroom with clean natural lines and an oak finish. The group includes 5-drawer chest, triple dresser, landscape mirror, panel headboard, and 2 nightstands furnished by Broyhill. And of course, the beautiful Isle of St. Martin. Prizes totaling $6,772.
All right. Will Jeff win a brand new car? We'll find out in about a minute from now. Jeff Walker, the new champion here on Classic Concentration. He won over $6,000 in that first game. Now gets to try for a brand new car. Here are the 15 squares for you, Jeff. Base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
4, 8,
No.
2, 8,
No.
9, 12,
No.
6, 12,
No.
15, 14,
No.
13, 10,
No.
10, 6,
No.
10, 3,
No.
14, 8,
No.
2, 8.
During the commercial break, Jeff told me that he feels a lot more relaxed now that he's through with that first game. Obviously, you relaxed a little bit too much. However, enjoy the fact that you've got $6,772 in prizes coming your way, Jeff. You have no strikes against you. You're going to play in at least 2 more games. Second game coming up after this. Well, we lost a great player. Are we getting a great new player? We'll find out soon enough. Please join me in welcoming Tyler Foch.
Foshi.
Foshi.
Good to meet you, Alex.
Thank you.
Great to be here.
Now, Foshi is what? It sounds a little bit...
It's French Cajun with kind of a European mongrel mix in there, too.
I see. And where are you from?
I'm from Iowa. Moved out here 4 years ago to try and become a surfer, and then I found out I've got the wrong hair color. You've really got to be blonde to be a surfer. So they wouldn't let me into the club.
I think with that hair, you get out in the sun...
I do. I boogie board. It's kind of like Little League surfing. It's not really surfing,
but
wouldn't
your hair bleach
thing.
out? It's so light now. It's very light
This is as bleached
red.
out as it's going to get.
Yeah? Well, so much for the surfing career. What did you wind up doing instead?
I came to UCLA to work in the physics department as a computer programmer.
Good for you. It's a lot better than being a surfer. Take a look over here and we'll better money. Sure. Here's a good prize.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection. This elegant necklace, crafted in 14-karat gold, sparkles with 24 diamonds. Furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex?
And where will we find that beautiful diamond necklace? At number 21. Cash pot will contain $600 in this game. The board will also have the bonus seconds, and we've got what we call a San Francisco excursion. Now, I don't know what that is. It better be a pretty good vacation, because we're not going to just fly you into San Francisco and trot you around the city and then take you back home. Tyler, you get to go first. Just one wild card in this game.
All right. Diamonds are girls' best friend, but I like to see some, too. Let's look at number 13, please.
Whirlpool bath.
Whirlpool bath. That'd be very nice. Can we go for a match under number 7, maybe?
Maybe. But we have an electric range there, so we go to Jeff.
Well, let's try to find the other half of that diamond necklace for the earrings. Number 14.
Video camera.
Great for the 4-month-old. Match under number 20.
Electric range. No match. Tyler?
Diamonds are nice, but I prefer that camera. Let's try for number 10, please.
Green take.
Ooh. I'm getting some good vibes from number 11, so let's take a look at that, please.
No, you got the wrong kind of vibes there. Recliner. Jeff?
Let's try looking under number 3.
Doll collection.
I got a boy, but we're going to go for a girl next. Number 17.
You don't have all that much choice in the matter. Rowing machine. Tyler?
Okay, we're on a roll here. Could I please take a look at number 7?
Electric range.
Electric range. Let's try for the match for that under number 23.
No, rowing machine. Tyler keeps trying to make things happen. Jeff, can you make a match now?
Exercise under number 17.
17. Rowing
The
machine.
match under number 23.
Even the thought of sitting on a rowing machine causes you problems. A lot of grief. Open it up. 2 panels. Pick again.
Let's look under number 15.
Red take.
How about the other one under number 6?
Video camera. Tyler.
Let's see, we need to open up the top part of that puzzle. Could we look at number 9?
Doll collection.
Doll collection, and for the match under number 3?
Doll collection at number 3. Yes. Yeah. 2 doors opening for Tyler. Select.
My girlfriend's gonna love that doll collection. Could I take a look at number 1, please?
Green take.
And was that on number 14?
No, that's the video camera. Jeff.
Got it. Let's go for number 6.
Video camera.
The match under number 14.
14.
talking today.
Yeah. What's your little one's name?
Kyle.
Kyle. Okay. Be great, as you say, for photographing little Kyle. He makes his first crawling moves, his first steps.
Sure would.
Okay, two panels opening for you, Jeff. Try it again.
Let's try something new under number 2.
Cash bar.
Be nice. Match under number 25.
San Francisco excursion. Tyler.
Okay, my girlfriend and I really need a San Francisco excursion. Could I find the other one under number 5, maybe?
Red tape.
No. Could I see number 15?
There you go. There's a match. Naturally done. Oh, you're going to use it right now?
Save it.
I'm gonna take that video camera.
All right.
Sorry, Jeff.
A video camera
You really
for
didn't need it
Tyler.
anyway.
My child is going to hunt you down.
Well, while you two guys
I
are
can run
chatting
fast.
back and forth, time is a-wasting. And Tyler, you study the puzzle as these 2 doors open. You might be able to solve it. Who knows? Go again.
Okay, let's open it up a little bit more under number 7, could we?
Electric
Electric
range.
range. That sounds familiar. Could it be under number 11?
Could be, but it's a recliner. Jeff?
Let's try number 7.
Electric range.
We saw that. Was that under number 18?
No, that's the recliner.
Got that now.
Interesting selections. Tyler?
I'm getting some good vibes from number 11.
Recliner.
And some even better vibes from number 18.
That's a recliner. Open it. Try it again.
Not getting any vibes from the puzzle. Still hunting for that San Francisco excursion. Could I take a look at number 2?
Cash pot.
That seems a little familiar. Could I look at number 1?
Take. Green. Jeff?
Let's try number 10.
Green take.
Match under number 1.
Green take.
May I?
You can do anything you want.
I want my camera back.
All right, video camera coming back to Jeff Walker. Open it up.
I'm going to take a chance at playing dirty pool.
Is it playing dirty pool? No, it is not. So Jeff gets... Whoa, he won't get his pick again. Hands on your signaling buttons. We'll help you by revealing the puzzle. Starting with number 2, 4, 7, 8, 12, 13, 16. Jeff.
Play dirty pool.
Is it play dirty pool? You better believe it is. Rowing machine. Good stuff, Jeff. Let's go to the board. Policemen have to stay in shape. You know that.
All right. P plus lay for lay or play. Dir plus T for dirty. Play dirty. Big pool. Play dirty pool.
Doesn't look like such a big pool to me, but you're right. Play dirty pool. 1 strike only against the fair-haired challenger, Tyler. We'll see you in the next one. Jeff, let's hear about your prizes. You won some more. Art?
Jeff, you've got yourself a rowing machine and a video camera. Samsung's full-size VHS camcorder with advanced features including 8-to-1 power zoom and low light sensitivity. Furnished by Samsung Electronics.
And a chance to play for a brand new car as well when we return. You ready now, Jeff? Look at him. He's on his toes. He's
About as ready as I can be.
He's ready to do it. All right. 15 numbered squares. This is your second time up, so you get 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No. Yes.
10, 12.
No.
13, 15.
No.
14, 11.
No.
8, 5.
No.
13, 12.
No.
8, 12.
Yep.
2, 6. 2, 14.
Yep.
6, 11.
No.
6, 15.
Yep.
3, 10.
Tell you.
Better than the last time.
Much better than the last time. And although you were kind of fumfing around there for a while, you started making the matches, and you were just too shy at the end, which is not bad. However, you do have $8,061 in prizes, including that holiday in St. Martin. And I know you and your wife are going to enjoy that. We'll take a break after this message from Art.
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design, a great kitchen startup set. Includes powerful hand-stand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Jeff, when would you plan to take that holiday to the Isle of St. Martin? You don't want to get away from the little one just yet, do you?
No, we'd take him with us.
Take him with you?
Yeah.
Good deal.
He likes the beach, too. If I do, he does.
Okay. You're back tomorrow?
Yes,
we'll
I am.
see you then. So long, everyone. Join us tomorrow, won't you?
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.